नमस्कार स्टूडेंट्स, स्पेशली इंग्लिश स्टेनोग्राफर स्टूडेंट्स। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि हम आपके लिए डिक्टेशन लाते हैं। 12th पास गवर्नमेंट जॉब, इतनी मेहनत करते हैं हम सभी, और ये सबसे अच्छी बात है हमारे लिए कि इसमें हमें सिर्फ 12th पास करना होता है। डिक्टेशन की असली पहचान है रोज़ अभ्यास करना ही इंग्लिश डिक्टेशन की असली पहचान है। आप इसमें फॉर्म फिलअप करते हो, DDA, SSC 10+2, UP PCL। मैं आपके लिए ऐसे ही इंग्लिश डिक्टेशन लाती रहूँगी। अगर आपका साथ मिला तो डिक्टेशन और भी अच्छे से अच्छे मैं आपके लिए ऐसे ही लाती रहूँगी। जैसा कि आप सामने देख रहे हैं कि हमारी असली ताकत है एक पेन और कॉपी। इसका साथ कभी मत छोड़िएगा। तो चलिए, ज़्यादा टाइम ख़राब करते ना हुए हम डिक्टेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं। डिक्टेशन स्टार्ट होगा आफ्टर 5 सेकेंड। स्टार्ट। Parliaments in democracies around the world are meeting and questioning their governments on their responses to the COVID-19 pandemic. The Canadian Parliament and had its first lockdown meeting towards the end of April, with roughly 280 of the 338 members of parliament attending through video conference and questioning the government for 3 hours. The British Parliament has adopted a hybrid model of in person and video attendance. Several other countries have held session either with physical distancing, with agreement across parties, or video conferencing, or a combination of the two. These include France, Italy, Argentina, Brazil, Australia, and New Zealand. Many others are convening their committees through video conferencing. The Interparliamentary Union has documented the processes used by various national parliaments to meet during the pandemic. India's parliament, which prides itself as the apex representative body of the world's largest democracy, it is notable abstain from this list. Parliament has a central role in our system of governance. First and foremost, it is the institution that checks and challenges the government of the day. While introducing the draft constitution, B.R. Ambedkar explained why the drafting committee had preferred a parliamentary form over the presidential system of governance. The reasoning was the while the presidential system provides a higher level of stability, the parliamentary system is better. Higher level of stability. The parliamentary system is better at holding the government to account on a daily basis through question, motion, and debates. Over the decades, our parliament has evolved procedures of accountability in including hirings of committees. The fact that parliamentary and its committees have not met for over 2 months indicates the absence of security of government actions. National laws are made by Parliament. National laws are made by the current steps by the central government are being taken under the Disaster Management Act 2005, which was not designed to handle epidemics. The reasoning is that the central government had no choice as there was no other law that provided with powers to impose a lockdown across the country, which was needed to arrest the spread of the disease. These misses the point that Parliament, these which was meeting till a day before the national lockdown was announced, could have passed an appropriate act. This is what many other countries have done, an act with suitable checks and an expiry date which could be renewed by Parliament if required. The Constitution requires all expenditure by the government to be approved by Parliament. The government has announced a series of measures to address the economic crisis sparked by the health crisis and the lockdown. These have not been subject to parliamentary security और अप्रूवल. डिक्टेशन समाप्त हो गया. इंग्लिश स्टेनोग्राफर डेली इंग्लिश डिक्टेशन पाने के लिए प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब करिए. मैं जानती हूँ कि आपको अगर कुछ गलती हुई हो थोड़ी बहुत तो इसके लिए सॉरी. अदरवाइज़ प्लीज़ वीडियोस को लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए. मैं रोज़ाना आपके लिए ऐसे ही डिक्टेशन लाती रहूँगी. थैंक यू सो मच. हैव अ नाइस डे.